So really quickly, once again, we ran through the course alignment. We refined the control points, reduced some of the residual errors. Then we went through the HAP system and we performed a fine alignment. This is what stage 2 is right now. We pulled that up in OrthoEngine. We made some small adjustments to our project. And now we're about to do our third run through. And we're going to perform fine alignment once again. So let me pick the input data folder and I will select the elevation model and the reference file for collecting ground control points automatically. I'll keep this the same as it was last time, so I'll bring the search radius down to 100. I'll keep the refinement of the GCPs to 50 pixels just in case there's some that are valid that I want to keep. I'll keep the search radius for the tie points at 100 as well. And I will choose the alignment folder that I've been working in to perform the next stage. So this will create a third folder called stage 3, and we'll see how this goes. So the fine alignment stage is completed. Recall that this is the second time that I run the fine alignment. We so far have done course alignment, we eliminated some bad points, ran fine alignment, and then eliminated some bad points, and now we've run stage 3, so we're on our second fine alignment. So once again, I will open up OrthoEngine and I will load the stage 3 project, and I can go down to the GCP tie point collection panel. I'll do a really quick check here to make sure that everything still looks good. So I'll turn on the ground control points. Looks like I have quite a few ground control points that are well distributed. Turn on the tie points. Same thing, so I'll turn those off for now. I can open up the summary table. So my summary table is showing the number of GCPs per image. Looks like I have quite a few number of GCPs for all my images. I can sort by RMS for my GCPs. And now I can start to groom the ground control points once again and make sure that my overall model is acceptable. So I can choose to work in here, or I can also use the residual report dialog to work. So let me work in this panel. You can see that at this point I've got just under 1,800 GCPs. My RMS is roughly 30 pixels, so that's quite high. So I'm just going to delete some of the worst ones here at the top. See what that does to my model. So I've got my model down to 25 pixels. Looks like I still have quite a few that I could get rid of. And I can keep going here. Just a quick check on the RMS in terms of meters. So I'm down to about 5 meters. And you can see that the spatial distribution of my GCPs is still quite good. So I'll just get rid of everything above 15. See what that does to my model. So I have good overall distribution of my GCPs still. I'm down to 3.4 meters. So in general, I'm pretty happy with this. I could keep going. So you can see that I've removed quite a few GCPs here, but overall things are still looking pretty good. So now I'm down close to below 3 meters accuracy. I can sort, maybe try to remove some of this RMS in the X direction, and I'll sort by residual X and get rid of some of the worst ones. Maybe get rid of a few more. Okay, so that's pretty good. So if I switch that to ground units, I'm now down below 3 meters roughly, so I'm pretty happy with that. If I turn my attention now to tie points, I'll sort by residual. I can once again choose to eliminate some tie points. Really, I don't need to. My RMS in image pixels is below 1 pixel. I could remove maybe the worst ones, so I'll collect 100 residual points, only 10% per image, and I'll pick anything that is above 1 pixel residual. And I'll just delete those, and you can see that now my overall accuracy is better. So my RMS for my ground control points is improved, and my tie point accuracy is quite good. So at this point, I'm pretty happy with the results. My accuracy is down around 3 meters in X and Y. I have good distribution of my points, and I'm going to move on now to the step where I can generate the elevation models, I can generate the ortho images, the mosaic, and complete my project.